You are in a meeting. You have a great idea. But everyone else is talking nonstop.
You wait for a silence, but the silence never comes. You feel invisible. You feel weak.
The Q3 projections show the strategy pays off long term.
And eventually the meeting ends. You didn't say a word. Your great idea is lost.
Stop waiting. A conversation is not a line, it is a game of catch. Today, I will teach you how to jump in without being rude.
Don't just wait. We have all been in that situation. You are in a meeting or a group dinner. Everyone is speaking English fast. They are throwing ideas back and forth like a tennis ball. You have a great idea. You want to say it. You wait for a pause, but the pause never comes. You sit there, silent, and you feel small. You worry, if I speak now, am I being rude? Am I interrupting? Here is the truth. In English-speaking cultures, especially in business, silence is often interpreted as having nothing to say. If you wait for an invitation, you might wait forever. Today, I will teach you the art of the polite interruption. It is not rude. It is assertive. We have 3 levels today. Level 1, the body signal. How to use your body to ask for the floor. Level 2, the scalpel phrases. Sharp, clean phrases to cut into the conversation politely. Level 3, the pivot. How to get back to your story if someone interrupts you. Are you ready to make your voice heard? Let's start with the body. Part 2, Level 1, the body language signal. Before you open your mouth, your body must speak. If you just shout, "No," or start talking while someone else is talking, that is rude. That is an attack. You need to signal. Think of it like a car turn signal before you change lanes. Here are the 3 physical signals of interruption. Signal 1, the lean. Lean your body forward slightly. This shows you are engaged and ready. Signal 2, the inhale. Take a quick, audible breath through your mouth. It signals you are preparing to speak. Signal 3, the hand. Raise your hand, slightly. Not like a school student. Just lift your hand a little bit off the table, or raise your index finger. When you combine these, lean, inhale, hand, people will naturally stop to let you speak. It is magic. Let's watch Leo fail first, and then succeed using these signals. Notice how Mia reacts differently.
And that is why we need to change the marketing strategy immediately. The numbers are dropping. We need to focus on social media. The budget is tight, but we can do it.
No, I disagree.
Excuse me? I wasn't finished, Leo.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
So social media is the key.
Actually, Mia, can I just add something there?
And there, Leo, go ahead.
Sure, Leo.
Have with someone's media.
So, thank Mia. I think email marketing might be cheaper.
Part 3, analysis and level 2, the scalpel phrases. Did you see the difference? In the first scene, Leo attacked. Mia was offended. In the second scene, Leo signaled. Mia invited him to speak. Now, once you have their attention, what do you say? You need scalpel phrases. A scalpel is a very sharp medical knife. It cuts cleanly. You don't want a long, messy interruption like, excuse me, I want to say something, please. That is weak. You need sharp phrases. Here are my top 3. Phrase 1. Can I just add something here? This is soft but firm. It adds to the conversation. Phrase 2. Sorry to interrupt, but this acknowledges the interruption, apologizes for it, and moves immediately to your point. Use this when you need to correct a fact. Phrase 3. Can I just come in here? This is very common in British and American business meetings. It means, can I enter this topic? Let's see Leo use these scalpel phrases in a high-pressure boardroom meeting.
As you can see, Q4 sales are down by 10%. We predict a further drop in January.
Sorry to interrupt, but are these figures updated?
These are from last week.
Why? Can I just come in here?
I saw the new report this morning, and sales are actually up.
Really? That is great news. Please share the details.
Sure. The new product launch was very successful.
Part 4. Analysis and Level 3. The pivot. Getting back. That was professional, wasn't it? Sorry to interrupt, but can I just come in here? Leo took control of the room, but he was still polite. Now, let's talk about the opposite problem. What if you are talking and someone interrupts you? Or maybe they get excited and change the topic. You need to bring the conversation back to your point. You need the pivot. We use a classic phrase for this. Anyway, as I was saying. Anyway signals that the side conversation is over. As I was saying reminds them that you were not finished. Another variation is, going back to what I said earlier. Let's watch Leo and Mia chatting. Mia gets excited and interrupts Leo. Watch how Leo gently brings the topic back.
So I was planning my trip to Italy, and I booked a hotel in Rome.
Oh, Rome is amazing. You must try the gelato near the Pantheon.
Yeah.
I definitely will.
Yeah, thanks for
Yeah.
Thanks for the tip. Anyway, as I was saying,
Right, the hotel. Yes.
back to what I was saying, the hotel is right next to the Colosseum.
Wow. That is a perfect location.
Part 5. Vocabulary focus. Excellent. Leo didn't get angry. He validated Mia. Thanks for the tip. And then he used the pivot. Anyway, as I was saying. Before we practice, let's look at some key vocabulary for managing conversations. Word 1. To jump in. This is a phrasal verb. It means to enter a conversation quickly. Feel free to jump in if you have ideas. Word 2. To cut someone off. This is the rude version. It means to stop someone from speaking. He is so rude, he always cuts me off. Word 3. The floor. In a meeting, the floor means the right to speak. I will give the floor to Leo. Or, can I have the floor for a minute? Word 4. Sidetracked. This means getting distracted by a minor detail. We are getting sidetracked. Let's focus on the main point. Part 6. Shadowing practice. Now, let's put it all together. We are going to do a shadowing practice. I will say the phrase. I will leave a pause. You repeat it exactly. Match my speed and confidence. Phrase 1. The polite entry. Can I just add something here? Again. Can I just add something here? Phrase 2. The apology entry. Sorry to interrupt, but I have a quick point. Sorry to interrupt, but I have a quick point. Phrase 3. The pivot. Anyway, as I was saying, going back to my point. You sound assertive and professional. Part 7. Conclusion and CTA. So, Let's recap. To interrupt politely, 1. Use body language. Lean, inhale, hand. 2. Use scalpel phrases. Can I just come in here? 3. Use the pivot. Anyway, as I was saying, don't just wait for your turn. Sometimes, you have to take your turn. Your ideas are valuable. The world needs to hear them. Now, I have a challenge for you. In the comments below, tell me about a time you wanted to interrupt but couldn't. What happened? Or, practice your interruption phrase. Scarlett, sorry to interrupt, but I loved this video. If this video gave you confidence, please smash that like button and subscribe to grow English mastery. I'm Scarlett. Speak up and stand out. See you next time.